What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Today I just want to make a quick, well, I think it's quick, but a home sweet home wreath with just using my favorite method, which is the Jordan method. And the Jordan method, I use 21-inch mesh on the inner ring and then ruffles on the outer ring. So all I do is I just drop my mesh down to the floor. Drop my mesh down to the floor. And then on the inner ring, I start tying it in using that first tie. And I measure 10 inches for each poof. So each poof is 10 inches. So you go 10 inches all along the inner ring. Okay, so that's what your start of your base should look like. Next, I'm going to get my 10-inch rolls. Now I need 5 cuts of each color at 30 inches. I'll move that out of the way. Mesh, so I can cut 2 colors at one time, sometimes even 3 colors. Then I need 4 of each color for my inner ring at 18 inches. So bringing back our base, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in our ruffles. So all I do is I just curl them because they naturally want to curl about twice, and then just run it right down that middle. And then getting a tie and tying that in. So normally I know I've seen this poly check mesh used on the flower boards, but I'm using it as a ruffle on the outer ring. It just gives it a different look. Just continuing all the way around, and I'm doing the 30-inch ruffles on the outer ring. I always try and make sure that I'm using the 30-inch ruffles on the outer ring and the 18-inch ruffles on the inner ring. Okay. So this is the way I'm able to bring in all these fun colors, but I also like a nice fluffy wreath. So that's why I like using this as a base, the 21-inch jute mesh, because it really makes everything else pop. But I love, love, love this mesh. So that's what our base should look like. See, look how nice and full that is. It's a nice full wreath. So next I want to bring in our ribbon tails. So I need 9 ties of each color. So 9 ties for so I'm just stacking these up how I'm grouping them up how I need them to be. And we're going to start adding our ribbon tails. So how I group them up together, I fold them in half, find my center point, Then I start putting, so I untwist my ribbon, my twist ties, put them in there, twist it twice, and then I spread out my tails. So you should have a tail that looks like that, kind of like an X. And we're going to continue the same thing all the way around the wreath, on the inner ring and the outer ring. Okay, so y'all, look how pretty that looks. All those colors, love that. So next, we're gonna add our sign. I really want this kind of right in the middle. I am gonna use my mounting squares. So just running my pipe cleaner through my mounting squares. Okay, so I'm just going to attach my sign right here in the middle, making sure that I wrap my pipe cleaners around that wreath frame. Now if you wanted to, you could add a bow, but I don't want to add a bow to this one. But I do want to add some of this greenery. Just untwisting one of those twist ties. And really, I'm not even using any glue. I'm just using the twist ties that are on there to secure that in. Okay. Now, if you wanted to, you could glue them in. I don't think it's necessary to glue it in. That's just me. And then we're going to add another one coming up towards the top. Just kind of weaving that through, and I'm really just using those tinsel ties to hold down this greenery. I'm not even using any glue. Y'all, sometimes, let's just be honest, I'm lazy and I don't feel like waiting for that glue gun to heat up. Giving this one a little bit of a curve that way. So we added in that greenery. didn't add a bow, but I don't even think it really needs a bow, y'all.